Hi guys, it's Alyssa from Online Fabric Store. Today I'm going to show you how to add pockets to clothing that you already have. So let's get started.
The materials you will need are the garment of clothing, a coordinating fabric, a piece of paper, a ruler, chalk or a fabric marker, pins or clips, a seam ripper, scissors, thread, an iron and board, and a sewing machine. Make a template for your pocket by tracing a line about an inch out from your hand at a 45-degree angle on a piece of paper. Cut out the template. Fold your coordinating fabric and cut out 2 pieces using the template. Then flip the template and cut out pocket pieces for the other side. Try on your garment and decide where you would like the pockets to lay. Mark it with chalk or a fabric marker. Flip the garment inside out. Tear out the seams where you have marked where the pockets will lay and 1/2 inch above and below the marks. Match the flat edge of 1/2 of your pocket fabrics along one side of the open seam with right sides facing and pin together. Sew this pocket half to your garment and repeat with the same steps on the other side of the open seam. Make sure you sew along the raw edge with the right sides facing so that when you turn the garment right side out, you won't be able to see the seam. With the right sides of the pocket fabric facing together, sew around the pocket, starting and stopping about an inch above and below where you ripped out the seam. Backstitch at the beginning and end. Follow these steps to attach the other pocket as well. Turn the garment right side out and press the pocket flat. And now your pocket project is complete.
You can add pockets to most any garment of clothing as long as it has a side seam, which is going to be most of the clothes that you own. Thanks for watching this OFS project. Like and subscribe to our channel for more crafting videos, tips, and tricks. See you next time.